Arsenic as an endocrine disruptor. Arsenic alters the systems in your body by inhibiting certain genes. This has a detrimental effect on how one's body regulates homeostasis. Sources of the chemical. Rice. Contaminated groundwater, as well as soils used to irrigate, has caused rice paddy fields to be contaminated with levels of arsenic, which consequently are ingested by the population. Limiting the amount of rice will decrease the amount of arsenic ingested. Also, lower levels of arsenic have been found in organic products. Cigarettes. Arsenic is an additional chemical in cigarettes. It was added at the farming stage of tobacco. Pesticides containing arsenic were sprayed and in turn make their way into cigarettes. Hydrogenated cottonseed oil. Organic arsenical pesticides are used on cotton fields and subsequently are incorporated into the cotton. When the cotton seed is extracted and hydrogenated, the arsenic still remains. Hydrogenated cottonseed oil is used in cosmetics as a skin conditioning agent and viscosity increasing agent. Organic products shouldn't contain arsenic. Water. Main source of arsenic in water is the arsenic-rich rocks through which water is naturally filtered. The World Health Organization states that 10 micrograms per liter is a safe amount to consume. However, this is being challenged by many independent groups. Wood. Chromated copper arsenate, or CCA, is used for the preservation of lumber from fungi, insects, and marine borers. The preservation can be dislodged from the wood, especially if continually exposed to damp soil. Glass. Arsenic is released from glass containers when heated for sterilization. This glass is usually for the purpose of optical glass and plate glass. Pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals used for animals contain arsenic for various reasons. In chicken, a drug called roxarsone, which is used to prevent parasitic disease, as well as to increase weight gain, feed efficiency, and improve pigmentation, is an arsenic-based drug. Molecular structure. Arsenic structure lends itself to be mostly used in compounds. Arsenic compounds are categorized by their carbon bonds. Inorganic arsenic does not contain carbon, while organic does. Inorganic is highly toxic. How does this affect homeostasis? Once ingested, arsenic affects the glucocorticoid system of the body, a type of corticosteroid that has many important functions, such as glucose regulation, carbohydrate, protein and lipid metabolism, regulation of the immune, circulatory, and renal functions, and in addition influences growth, bone metabolism, development, and central nervous activity. Vital components of the glucocorticoid system are glucocorticoid hormones such as cortisol, glucocorticoid receptors, hormone receptor complexes, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, and the central nervous system. The process begins with a stimulus sent from the central nervous system due to a kind of mental or physical stress. It is received by the hypothalamus, which responds by releasing corticotropin releasing hormone, CRH. The CRH acts on the pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. This in turn stimulates the adrenal gland to release glucocorticoids such as cortisol. When arsenic is present in the cellular environment, it enters the cell. In the cytoplasm, it binds to the glucocorticoid receptor. This then enters the nucleus and blocks the receptor from activating the gene, therefore inhibiting the expression of the gene. Glucocorticoids suppress tumors in the body. When affected by arsenic, it does not have the ability to suppress them, and in turn, tumors are uncontrolled and cancer arises, causing the disruption of homeostasis.